Hi, Malati Vijay Kumar welcoming you once again to Meen Man Cooks. In today's episode, let's see a yellow pumpkin stew, Parangika Kootu. Let's see the ingredients required. About 250 grams of yellow pumpkin, washed, peeled and cut. For grinding, a tablespoon and a half of urad dal, 3 red chilies, 1.5 tablespoons of coconut and a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, a pinch of turmeric. For the tempering, a teaspoon of mustard, urad dal and 1 red chili, a few curry leaves, a teaspoon of jaggery, oil, salt to taste. The pan is hot. We'll add just a few drops of oil and roast the urad dal. Let's roast it till we get a nice aroma and the color changes. We can add the red chilies now. I'm using a pretty heavy bottomed pan. The pan itself takes a minute or two to get heated, so the roasting also takes a wee bit longer than your thinner utensils. It's taken about 2 minutes. More than the timing, I suggest you go by the look of it and the aroma. You can see the color has changed. It looks lovely and you get a very good aroma. Now I'll switch off the gas and add the pumpkin seeds. We'll grind this along with the coconut. Let's grind the coconut first. Wow, ground very well. Now we can add the roasted ingredients. Let's open and see. We'll add a tablespoon of water and grind again. Oh wow, perfect. Ground very well. The pan is hot. We'll add just a little less than a teaspoon of oil. Now let's add the tempering. If you don't want it so spicy, you could have reduced 1 red chili in the grinding mixture. The mustard is crackling. Let's add the curry leaves. And now the yellow pumpkin pieces. Let's add about half a cup of water and cover and cook. Let's add about half a teaspoon of salt to the pan. And just a pinch of turmeric. Give it a stir and cover and cook. The yellow pumpkin cooks pretty fast. So I'm going to cover it now. It's almost 5 minutes now. I stirred midway, of course. There was sufficient water. Now let's open and check it out. it should be done. I'll insert the knife for you. In it goes. Cooked perfectly. Now we can add the ground paste. Let's add a little water to the jar and add the ground paste to the pan. We'll add a little more water so that the pieces cook in the gravy. We can now add the jaggery as well. You can check the balance of the salt and the spice. Don't make it too spicy. This stew is supposed to be a little on the sweeter side. The yellow pumpkin is naturally sweet, and we've added just a little jaggery as well. Coconut also gives it a little sweetness. This is the right time to switch off the gas, because once it cools, it will thicken a little more. So the stew is ready. As I said, it's not a very spicy dish. This goes well with our steamed rice. In fact, I don't know why lots of people do not recognize this vegetable. It's fantastic. It's very rich in beta carotene. They say it helps in preventing cancer and heart disease as well. And you can make n number of dishes with this vegetable. It cooks very fast. When you're making your sambars, you can add a big chunk of it and cook it along with the dal. That way you can reduce your dal, because this gives a nice consistency to the sambar. It goes well on the tummy as well, doesn't make the sambar too heavy. When we add too much dal, of course, it's heavier. Since it's available locally almost all around the year, we can make this one of the vegetables on an everyday basis. We can use it. In fact, its water content is high, so that way also it helps us. One of my friends was saying it's good for ladies who before menopause. It's very good for them to consume this along with the add flax seeds as well, just as we had added the pumpkin seeds. That enriches the dish further. It enables the ladies, premenopause ladies, to enjoy a better lifestyle. It definitely was a little more dilute when we put off the gas, but see how it has thickened. The thickening is due to the urad dal, pumpkin seeds, and of course the coconut. I'm sure this has motivated you to cook. Do try it and give your feedback. For the recipe, click on meenman.com for all your non-veg requirements as well. Click on meenman.com and place your orders. Do follow us on FIT, that is Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'm sure you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed showing it to you. Thank you.